wanted to share with you another unboxing from the little stamp store. This is, I think, my 4th subscription box. It is a quarterly subscription box. And I'm going to dive right in. I will obviously link them below. So in case, oh my God. So in case you wanna subscribe to them, that you can find them. Oh my God, look at this card. I love it. It's so cute. So now I'm hoping that this stamp is actually in the box because it's adorable. Aww, love it already. I love their boxes. The design of their boxes always. So let's see. Okay, we have some black tissue paper. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my God, it's a pin. Look at this. Oh God. There. So cute. So that's a little pin. The design. Oh, little tag. Oh my God. Juniper Press. Laura Brenner is has done the design and illustrations. Then there's a little snowflake. Broke one side off. That's okay. Wow. Aha! Here we have some stamps. And they always come with these little acrylic blocks as well. Aha! So here's some twigs. I'm gonna stamp these at the end so you can see. Oh, so here's all these little twigs, so that you can make your own combination. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, it's so cute. Yeah, okay, perfect. So this is that bird. He is so adorable. I love him. Oh, look, it's a little bear. Oh my God. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna try all of these out at the end so you can see them. Okay, these are some very cool stickers. Never seen this before. Then we have some gold ribbon. Very festive. Aww. Then we have some of these little tags so that I can stamp them myself. 5 of these. Oh my God, this is so cute. And there's a little star, wooden piece. Then we have some pine cone Versacolor stamp ink. Water-based ultimate pigment ink pad. Yeah. Very nice. And then we have some little cards. Cards and envelopes. Nice. I love this thin twine, or I don't know what you want to call it, thread. I've never seen this thin one before. So there's 5 of these little cards and 5 envelopes. These are great for junk journals as well, actually. And then here's their card. Just thank you for supporting the small business and buying an artisan product from a little stamp store. I'm an independent stamp maker selling direct to my customer. So I do a little happy dance every time an order comes in. I run the little stamp store with a little help from hubby and our 2 young boys who help too. The Shedio, I don't know, is my home workshop in North Hampshire where I design all my stamps. It's also a dark room, so I can develop the negatives ready to bake the final products. I started out hand carving rubber, but since 2015 I've mainly used a photopolymer process, which after a lot of experimentation I found to give the best combination of detail and print quality. They look really nice too. So let me go ahead and try these out. So how do we do this? So I have a piece of paper here. Why don't we just try it with this ink that's on the front? Alright, so where do I start? Alright, let's start with these little twigs. Oh, I love these. In case I haven't said it often enough. These are just perfect for making cards and tags and everything basic. Oh my god, these are so adorable. Didn't do that one very well. Do that one again. There you go. Alright, let's move on to the bear. Okay, I got my finger dirty on that one. I'm not stamping very well, but I think you can see him well enough. And then let's do the little bird. Okay, smudged my finger as well, but that's okay. There, you can see. So there you go, that's all the stamps. They are awesome. So yeah, I will definitely be using these in various projects. So I will keep you posted on how that goes. Love the color of this actually, pine cone. It's like a, I don't know, like a mixture between brown and gray. I love it. Okay, so I think I've showed you everything. Yep. So thank you so much for watching. And as I said, I'll put the link below in case you wanna try them out as well. Thank you so much. Bye.